guys, happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is from June the 4th through June the 10th. And I thought I'd deviate just a little bit from what I've been doing. I didn't make any stickers this week. I decided to use some Dollar Tree stickers that I hauled a long time ago. But I was in my stash looking and I saw these and they just look so happy and cheerful. These little monkeys just with the little flowers and the pineapple and the watermelons, and it just really looked cheerful, so I wanted to do that. And then I saw this paper that I've had for a long time as well, and I loved it. I thought it all complemented each other very well. It looks happy to me and just like something they might be playing in. And then this picked up the color, so I like that. And then this is some washi that I got at Dollar Tree quite a while ago. And I love it. I think it's so pretty. And it seemed to really go nicely with that. And then I'm just using one of these little Papermate pens that I got a long time ago from the Dollar Tree. So let me go ahead and take my paper out of my planner. And I'm so glad that everyone loved the Midnight Lace theme. I really had fun doing that. Okay, and I've decided that what I want is I want this to be the dominant theme because, like I said, it does look so happy and cheerful. So I'm going to cut it first. And then I really do like this paper too. Okay, let's lay our paper down like I want it. And I think this is going to just look so whimsical and happy and sort of mischievous in a way, like those little monkeys could be. I'm sure they could be very mischievous. Oh, I think that's going to be really cute. Okay, let's put our paper down. But you really don't have to spend a lot of money to do a planner. Dollar Tree stickers are beautiful. And I love their washi. I really, to be honest, I like Dollar Tree's washi better than most washi that I find. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll put this washi down. I just wanted something that just looked upbeat, happy. And when I saw those little monkeys, I was like, mischievous little things, up to no good, but having so much fun. And to me, this just sort of all goes together. Oh, that's adorable. Wonderful. That just looks so whimsical. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. I really do. That turned out just like I wanted. Okay, now we'll open our stickers from Dollar Tree. And like I was saying, you get such pretty stickers at Dollar Tree. I love them. Okay, I think I'm going to take this little guy, and he's sort of hanging around, and I think I may just put him maybe like right in through here, because he is just having a big time. He's having so much fun. And this little guy, I think I may put him about right here. I love these. They're so much fun. I really do love their stickers. And like I said, you can make a very affordable planner by using their stickers. And these are dimensional. It doesn't bother me, but if you wanted, you could take the dimension. You can, take some of the little thing that makes them pop up, take it off so they wouldn't be so dimensional, but I love it. Look at his little tail. So cute. And this one's in her little barrel, sticking out with her little flower. Now this little guy, he's just showing off. And then we have this one right here. I may put him right there. And then they have to have their little bananas. I think this is so cute. I love it. And we're gonna give him an apple. Let's see, where do we want to put this apple? Oh, maybe he's looking out at the apple. Oh yeah, that's what he's doing. He's got his eyes set on that apple. And then we have, and you don't have to use all the stickers if you don't want to. But I think I will. Just need to find out exactly where I want to put. I might put this one right over here like this. I think that's cute right there. And then this watermelon right here. Might put it right here. Oh, I think that turned out beautiful. So happy, just what I wanted. Okay, let me write down a few things that I need to do. Okay, now we'll put this back in my planner. But I think this turned out really cute. And you can see, you can definitely use Dollar Tree stickers and washi just to give you a really cute planner. But I think it is adorable. They just look so happy. I love how this paper really complements the stickers. And like I said, I love these stickers. They're so happy. And this washi is beautiful. And like I said, the washi and the stickers came from Dollar Tree. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.